Hey guys, so this video I'll teach you how to do a lot of things regarding YouTube and generate a lot of content regarding YouTube without much effort, and that too within a few minutes. So let's get started. So the tool we will use is called VidIQ, and you go to VidIQ and then you go to this option called AI Coach, and this is your personal AI coach, and here is the place where you will enter prompts. And let's first enter a prompt for a video idea I have. So I'll enter the prompt. So this is the prompt I enter: generate a more click-worthy title for a video about content marketing tips for lifestyle YouTubers. Let's see what it generates. Okay, content marketing secrets for lifestyle YouTubers, must know tips to grow your channel. All right, sounds good, but let's generate some more titles because we need to do A/B testing. So we type generate more titles. All right, seems like a good result. I like the second one, unlock the secret to successful content marketing for lifestyle YouTubers. Sounds good. Now what I'll do is that let's generate a video script, and I'll copy paste the second one. I copy pasted the second title, and let's see what it generates. Alright, so it has compartmentalized the whole script, intro, body, and okay, so it seems incomplete, so I'll say continue with the description. So as you can, when you type continue with the description, it continues from where it left off, third, optimize, and then it continues here for your content for search. Alright, seems good. Seems like a good description to me. Then I think what we have here is the script, but let's have some actionable tips also. So I would say give me some actionable tips and points for my video type, for my video unlock this thing. I would say video titled. So I would say give me some actionable tips and points for my video titled Unlock the Secrets to Successful Content Marketing for Lifestyle YouTubers. As you can see, it is giving you the meat of the content. Now you can have this whole list and then expand on it while you're talking in the video, and you also have the script. And next, what we can do is that, so generate a video description for the above video and make it optimized for YouTube SEO. And we have a video description along with keywords and hashtags. It's the whole 9 yards, guys. It's pretty amazing, but we can do even more with it. So how about, guys, we get some thumbnail ideas. I love thumbnail ideas because you get creative, but let's see what our great AI coach has to say about it. Generate some click-worthy thumbnail ideas. Oh, it's fun. Let's see what it generates. Okay, I think this is better. To be frank with you, the thumbnail ideas could be much more creative, but let's try one more. Generate some more creative thumbnail ideas. Okay, I like a before and after image of a YouTuber's journey. That seems a bit good. And we can combine it with a title called Unlock the Secrets Now. That would be a bit creative, and yeah, that would be resonating with the audience. Like the before image of a YouTuber seems a bit cheesy, but hey, this is what gets clicked sometimes. I've seen those before and after images. So before and after image of a YouTuber's journey where they are like, I don't know, distraught, and then in the next image they are like super happy or whatever. Oh, I don't know. But I like this, unlock the secrets now, and then it would like be eye catchy. So the idea is to make them click and then give them value. So in that way, I think it can be resonating. So yeah, that's good. Now, okay, so we generated the title, we generated the description, we generated the content, we generated the thumbnail. What's missing? Other video ideas similar to this topic. So generate similar video ideas related to, and we so generate similar video ideas related to the topic. Okay, so here you go, and you can keep doing this, generate more ideas, and we'll keep generating more ideas. So there you go, guys. So many ideas with this AI coach, and you can do so many things with it. It really makes content creation process easier for a lot of new YouTubers, and help them, you know, take the overwhelm out of the content creation part, and you can do it like this. And it's made by VidIQ. These guys know their stuff. They have been in this whole YouTube growth business for a long time. Yeah, full marks on them. The thumbnail part could be a bit better, but other than that, it's very creative, and I would love to suggest it. Guys, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe. When you subscribe, I feel motivated by it. Let's motivate each other, guys. 2023, let's get on with it and let's do it. And I'm here for you. So see you in the next one.